naman basically is, it can be considered as a classic through time. On your end, kaya maging collectible siya, kaya hindi. Gusto mo yung auto. And then bonus na lang later on if this will be a collectible car. Or motorcycles or cars before, it was, there's something about a love affair between me and wheels. When I was young kasi, my dad naman talaga is a collector. So, growing up, 5 boys kami, 2 girls. Almost all of us talaga nagkaroon ng love sa auto. Even when I was young, I would see my dad tinkering with his cars. No? So from then, parang natatak rin sa isip ko na, shit, paglaki ko, alam ba yung when you were a kid, you were thinking na paglaki ko, I would also want that. So I started, my mom would usually buy me toys. Yung tingin ko dun sa mga Tamiya models, parang auto ko yan. Kung dad ko nagbubuo siya ng sarili niyang auto, ako may binubuo rin ako. Ito sa toy na binubuo ko, pinipinturahan ko rin, dinidetali ko rin, and stuff like that. But more than anything else, it's the love of my dad with cars. Siguro, isa sa mga nakuha ko sa dad ko was, if merong luma, you know, try to fix it. Don't throw it. Nakuha na, no, Jock? Nakuha na? So parang na-imbibe rin sa amin yon. Kaya lahat ng luma, or lahat ng luma na pinaglumaan ng dad ko, instead of throwing it away, we try to make sure na mare-restore mo sa tama. Nowadays, people are running into, restoring cars, no, yung mga vintage and classic. Karamihan naman na naiisip nila, it's always Mustangs, it's always the 911, the Benz, the SL classes. So, us, well, me personally, kami ng kapatid ko, we're not only restoring yung mga vintage cars or collection ng dad ko, but we're also trying to look at the next generation of soon-to-be classic cars. Well, the way I look at it, no, is one of it is the mga C3 na. Because if you know the origin, this is a 1996 car. Pag tinignan mo, nandun na siya sa mga 15 years or almost 20 years level. So, no, to be considered kasi a classic, at least 20 years eh. But ang kagandahan kasi sa C3, basically, it was introduced in a James Bond film. So, more than anything else, if ang mga collectible cars may kwento lagi. Like the Mustang, ang nagpasikat talaga dyan is yung Bullet, which is si Steve McQueen. So may mga nakakapit na ganong storya. The Minis, diba? Yung Italian Job and stuff like that. So depende kung saan tatakbo talaga at paano mo sasabihin na ito collectible or ito'y tataas in value. But more than anything else, it's talagang for you personally if you really like the car. When choosing a car kasi, tinitignan mo ano ba yung kotse na on your end, kaya maging collectible siya, kaya hindi. Gusto mo yung auto. Gusto mo how it performs. Gusto mo yung shape and stuff like that. And then bonus na lang later on if this will be a collectible car.